Hello students, today I am going to explain you how to calculate distance of a point from a line or perpendicular distance of a line from a point or of a point from a line. Okay. Let there is a general equation of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. As you know, already in my previous lecture I have explained you that what is the general equation of a line. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a line. And let h comma k or x1 comma y1 be a points anywhere, like suppose x1 y1 is a point here and there is a line, this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the perpendicular distance, this perpendicular distance, let p and m. So this perpendicular distance, let it be d. This perpendicular distance can be calculated by ax1, means putting this value of coordinate of the point given x1 y1 at the place of x and y. So ax1 plus by1 plus c in magnitude I am taking like this, since the distance can never be negative, that's why I am taking in magnitude, divided by whatever the coefficient of x is here, it's a square, means a square, plus whatever the coefficient of y, it's a square. So this is the formula to calculate perpendicular distance from a point to a line. Okay. Similarly, in general, perpendicular distance from an origin like 0 comma 0 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You know, again putting this value 0 comma 0 at the place of x and y. So by using the same formula, what you can write, a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. So c upon under root a square plus b square. In this way we can calculate the length of perpendicular drawn from a point on a line, if equation of a line is given. I will explain in numerical. Now the problem is that what will happen if two lines are given. So next is distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines. Now see, let there are two lines a1x plus b1y, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c dash is equal to 0. As you know, two lines are said to be parallel if their x coefficient and y coefficients are either equal or they are in same proportion, means there is difference only in their constant terms. So let these two lines are parallel lines, then the distance between these two parallel lines will be calculated by, so this distance between these two will be calculated by difference between their coefficient terms c dash minus c within modulus. Since you know, if c is more than c dash, then c minus c dash. If c dash is more than c, then c dash minus c, divided by under root the magnitude of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Since in both of them coefficient of x and y are same, therefore to calculate distance between two parallel lines we can use this formula. Now some numerical based on this one. 3. Now one numerical is that if P is the perpendicular distance of the origin from the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B, so that 1 upon P square 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. So question is that the P is the perpendicular distance of the origin from the line. Suppose there is a line which is making some intercept on x-axis A and y-axis B. So what should be equation of a line? As we know, equation of a line can be written as x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Equation number 1. So we can write, since x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B, so this is your equation of line. We can write it as x upon A plus y upon B minus 1 is equal to 0. Equation second. Just like in general form equation. Now, it is given that length of perpendicular drawn from origin to this line is P. So, P is equal to what? From origin. From origin means 0, 0. So putting at the place of x and y 0, 0, 0 into 1 upon A plus 0 into 1 upon B minus 1 divided by under root x coefficient 1 upon A whole square plus coefficient of y 1 upon B whole square. Okay, so it implies that P is equal to this 0, 0 here modulus minus 1 upon under root 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Modulus minus 1 means 1. So 1 upon P can be written as under root 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Squaring both sides, what we write? 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. So this is proved. Now next numerical is find the perpendicular distance between the lines 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, and another is 3x plus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. See, quite simple. As we know, here the coefficient of x and y in this line is 3 and 4, and here also 3 and 4. Only the difference is their coefficient constant terms. That's why these two lines are parallel lines. Now see, for parallel lines we know that c dash minus c divided by d, this is equal to under root a square plus b square. So putting this value, c dash, let's 17 minus 5 divided by under root 3 square plus 4 square, this d. This implies 17 minus 5, 12 divided by under root 3 square 9 plus 16, 12 by 25 under root means 5. So here this distance is 12 by 5. This is the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. I think there should not be any problem. 12 by 5. Now next one, as like 9x plus 40y minus 20. 9x plus 40y minus 20 is equal to 0, and 9x plus 40y plus 21 is equal to 0. I think it is quite obvious. You all can solve this question, since here 9x 40y, so also here these lines are what? Parallel to each other. That's why there should not be any problem in solving. You can use the same formula, d is equal to c dash minus c in modulus divided by under root a square plus b square. You can calculate. This is a, this is b. This among this, anyone you can take c dash and other as c. Okay.
3.
Like here. So d is equal to c dash minus c. 21 minus 20 means 20. Okay, divided by under root 9 square plus 40 square. This implies 41 divided by under root 81 plus 1600. This implies 41 upon under root 1681. This implies 41 upon under root of this one is 41. This implies 1. So the distance is 1. Okay. I think there should not be any problem. In this way you can solve all other questions from exercise. Thank you so much.